What's up my beautiful people, ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Here today we'll be showing you how we go to collect once you buy your goods from Amazon. I'm gonna be showing you how we do this, how we get our packages from Amazon. So this is how I'm doing, and before we continue, please hit that subscribe button if you want to get more information how we go about it. So here is in Mkenya Marekani. Please remember to hit that subscribe button if you get this information to be so helpful. Remember to hit that subscribe button. Hivi ndio tunafanya bana ndani ya Mkenya Marekani. Yeah. Hope mko timamu. Let me by the way change this video. Yeah, once you order your stuff from Amazon, this is how you go get your packages. You get a special code from Amazon, and here most of the time you have to just get used to buying stuff online because it's easy. They drop it right outside your house. Yeah, so this is how we do it. Yeah, kumenyesha, the good thing hakuna matope. Yeah, next time I'm gonna be show you guys how they trim these trees. Yeah, these are professional guys. Si mtu yoyote anakuja kukata miti hapa. So I'm gonna be showing, this is our apartment. There's a pool there. I'm gonna tour you around so that you can see how apartments look like here in the US. But today we are talking about how to collect your packages from Amazon box. Okay, so this is how we're gonna be doing it. So we are here in our office. So to open this door, you have to just get that and then open. We have our gym over there. So these are the Amazon boxes. Okay, so the hub. Okay, you can either, if you have a code, it can read over there. If you have the numbers, you can put them there, or you can just touch the screen once and then it brings you numbers. So it's 290, and then 357. So it shows you how many packages you have to pick. So I'm picking something for my wife. So the first door has opened up, so I pick that. You check if there's anything else. So nobody can steal your stuff because they don't have your code. Okay, once you close that, another door will pop. It shows you an arrow of which side the door will pop. So the arrow is over here. So this is another package we get. So the package normally has your address, where it's coming from. Okay, and then you see I have to close the door first to be able to pick something else. So I close that door. Another door is opening. It shows you an arrow. So it's down below. So we have another box over here. Yeah, sometimes when you do Amazon Prime, it just takes a day for you to get your stuff. So it's very easy. And then I think we are done. It just tells you thank you, and I tell it back thank you. So I have to know how to carry this stuff. I have to, you see, those are the packages we get. So this is all these boxes in this apartment. Everybody comes to pick their stuff from here, and make sure you don't overstay before you pick your stuff, because other people need to also get some space, because you see we have the number of boxes here, they are like limited, because the apartments here are so many. There's like over 500 houses in our apartment. Okay, apartments here are huge, like in a huge area. We have so many houses here, I mean apartments. So yep. So I'm picking my stuff. Let me pick this and then I'll okay. Guys, keep subscribing, keep supporting Kenya Marekani. We bring you life in America, how it is in real life, okay? Si mambo ya fake vitu hapa. Yeah, by the way, I forgot. When you come inside here, you have to put your mask on, okay? I did forget. You have to put your mask on. Next time I'm gonna show you around these apartments, how it looks like, okay? So let me try pick this up and then I'll meet you next. So guys, we are done. My task was very easy. Just to pick these 3 boxes and I'm done for the day. So normally once you order anything from Amazon, if it's prime means it's like prime time, like just the way the word states, it's prime time. So once you order, it takes like a day. So it depends with what you're ordering. It might take a day or it might take like 2 days at most. But there is also other sites. But Amazon is the Amazon is the biggest, by the way. Amazon is the biggest online platform. We also have others, but from China. But there is also a lot of fake stuff. That I once bought a camera. I thought it's a camera. Kumbe it's a feather. They sent me a feather, bro. Yeah, walinitumia yani ka feather. So you have to be aware of where you're buying, but mostly, and then you can also choose. You can select to buy something new or something second hand. You can select whenever you're buying anything. So it's absolutely very easy and straightforward. There's no complications. So I'm done for this video. Please guys, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, napanda mlima. Yeah, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's hit that bell so that anytime we are uploading anything, you'll be able to be notified. Ama VPA na hiyo version simba inakaa fresh. Yeah, hapo kabisa. So we'll see you in a little bit. See you in the next video. Thank you so much. Remember to subscribe and hit that bell. Ciao. Ooh.